Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because it is going to be another Boxycharm standard box versus premium box. I'm going to be unboxing both the Boxycharm standard box and the Boxycharm premium box and comparing the two today. I recently was accepted or made it off the wait list of the Boxycharm premium. So December was my first month getting the premium, but December I also got my Boxy Luxe box. So this will be the first month that I'm comparing the Boxycharm premium to the standard. If you guys are interested in checking out Boxycharm, I'll leave a link to their website down below. Boxycharm, the standard box, retails for $25 and they always promise a value of, I believe, $125 or more, and then the premium box is $35, and I'm not 100% certain of the promise of the value amount, but we're going to be unboxing both of these today, looking at the value, looking at the products, and seeing whether or not maybe I thought this month was good, bad, etc. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. First, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider doing so before you go. I do post videos 5 days a week. Other than that, let's just get into this unboxing. Okay, so I thought we would start with the standard box. Again, retails for $25. Both boxes have the same theme this month, so each box always has a theme to it, and for January the theme is breaking the ice. So here's a little postcard that has all of the products listed, and then we will just go ahead and open the box. This is what it looks like from the top. So jumping right in, I see this two-faced diamond light fire highlighter. I always forget to take my ponytails off. So this is one of those highlights that looks like a diamond ring box, etc. The packaging's super cute on this. This one is, if I did not say, the light version. And this is what it looks like. Doesn't necessarily look like a highlighting shade I would use all that often. And it looks to be very glittery. I don't know if you'll even really be able to see that swatched. It doesn't really have a base to it, but it seems to have a reddish pink and gold sort of glittery sheen to it. I could see why they call it the Diamond Fire highlighter. It doesn't really look like a highlighter that I would use, but if I'm not gonna get use out of this, I know my daughter will. So this is something that I can pass along to her, and I'm sure she'll be really excited about. This retails for $36. Next up, there is a lip product here from Manna, and we've gotten quite a few lip products from Manna in the past. So this is their Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. It retails for $21. I'm not gonna swatch mine. I have so many lip products and I'm trying to be better about really considering whether or not I want to bring something into my collection or not. But the shade looks really pretty, just kind of like a mid-toned pink shade. I don't know if it says the shade on here. It doesn't, but it says this matte lip color is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, formulated with long-lasting pigments that won't dry out your lips. So that is the second product, retails for $21. Next up, we have this skincare product. This is from Avant, and this is the Shea Butter Rice 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. And this actually retails for, I believe I read, $107. Which is crazy. I've never heard of this skincare brand before. I do believe I got something else from this brand in my last Boxycharm box, but that is insanely high priced. So we'll see what I think about this. It comes with 1.69 fluid ounces. So that obviously bumps the value of the box up significantly. I'm not gonna open or swatch this yet. I'm not gonna do that until I actually test this out, but we did receive that. Super exciting. We got something from Wander Beauty. I am really excited for this. This is their Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, and this retails for $36. So let's see, I think there's 2 different shades in this, and I don't know if it says what shade, so it'll say, okay, so I got the shade Bellini for the blush, and then Costa Ray for the bronzer. The bronzer looks super light. There's the bronzer swatch. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it, but it almost looks more like a finishing powder than a bronzer, and I'm super fair, so I'm not quite sure who that would necessarily work for, as an actual bronzer. And then the blush shade is Bellini, which looks really, really pretty, just like your neutral everyday pink tone blush. That looks super pretty. So I am really excited to play with this. Wander Beauty is a brand that does really intrigue me, so I was really excited to see another product from them. We have gotten products from Wander Beauty in the past in our Boxycharm, and I always really get excited for Wander Beauty products. And then the final product is this palette right here from Ace Beauté. We have received a palette from Ace Beauté in the past, but it was, I think it was like an 8-pan palette, and this is like a 12-pan eyeshadow palette. So I got the Vintage Dawn palette, which looks like this. I want to say very colorful, but like it's not a rainbow palette per se. I am really excited about this one because even though it does look very vibrant, I feel like it also looks wearable. Some of these like deeper reddish brown shades look absolutely beautiful, and then also these like shimmery golds and yellows and this shimmery red shade. This looks really, really pretty. I'm really excited to dive in and play with this. And this palette retails for $34.99, bringing the total value of this box to $234.99. So that is a crazy, insane value for only paying $25 for it. Again, sometimes you have to consider like how many of the products are you actually going to use. That Too Faced highlighter, I'm probably not going to use, but I always just get really excited to, this is like an inexpensive way in my opinion to test out, try new products, sometimes try new brands. So for me, I always love Boxycharm. I get super excited for my box every single month, and now like my 2 boxes. So that being said, let's jump over to the Boxy Premium box and see what we got. So the Boxy Premium box is obviously larger, and opening this up, ooh, this looks pretty, well, pretty, I don't know, exciting. So this is what it looks like inside. So just jumping right in, this is the first thing that sort of caught my attention. This is from Tula Skincare. Tula, I feel like, is a really popular skincare brand amongst like the fitness YouTube community. I have tried quite a few products from Tula that I like but haven't like fallen in love with, that have made me want to repurchase more from them, with the exception of one of their serums that I think I've gone through 3, and then I kind of like grew tired of it after the 3rd. But this is their Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser, which I have not tried yet. This is also huge. So this is what this looks like. I love their like blue packaging. I think it's so, so pretty. So this retails for $34, and it has probiotics and superfoods in it. So the Tula Skincare brand's big, like, I don't want to say like branding, but like their big thing is that all of their skincare has probiotics in it, which is really, really good for your skin. So I am really excited to try this. I feel like I've gotten quite a few cleansers lately from like subscription boxes. I shouldn't need to buy any new cleanser anytime soon unless I absolutely hate this. I like that this is an acne foam cleanser. I might have my husband try this too, just because he does seem to struggle with acne and he's always looking for things to help out his acne. So maybe this could work well for him as well. Another skincare product I see in here is from the brand Bliss, which is sold at Target. This is their Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. Target and other retailers is what I meant. This retails for $18, and it says this is a silky souffle mask with powerful clays to detoxify and control oils, which I don't really have oily skin, but I do always love a good detox mask from time to time. So this actually comes in like an aerosol can. So this will be really, really interesting to try out. I am almost through, I think, the last of my mud masks. So I actually do need sort of a detoxing mask. So this worked out very well. Next up, we got a kit from Billion Dollar Brows. We have gotten things from Billion Dollar Brows before, but this is actually a set of 4. It comes with their Universal Brow Pencil. It also comes with a Brow Duo Pencil Concealer and Highlighter. So it looks like one end you have a concealer and the other end you have a highlighter, which is really cool. And then it also comes with a smudge brush and a brow gel. So it's cool that you sort of get 4 products that only count as 1 product in the box. So I wouldn't say like I'm uber excited about this. The stuff that I've tried from Billion Dollar Brows in the past hasn't been my favorite, but I do really need a new brow gel, so I'm excited to try that. We'll see about the smudge brush, and then the pencil. And if I didn't say, that retails for $42, so that one is expensive. We also got a single eyeshadow from Kat Von D. This is in the shade Lolita, and this retails for $18. So it's just a single eyeshadow like this, and it's in her popular shade, obviously Lolita. This does look like a really beautiful shade. There it is swatched right there. This looks like it could be a really good like mid-tone shade for like deepening up the crease work, etc. I am not the best at using single shadows, but this again does look pretty, so we'll see if I can get some use out of that. Next up, another eyeshadow palette. This one is from Too Faced. It is their Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette. So the packaging on this is really cute. This is what it looks like. And then this is what the actual palette looks like. It actually looks really pretty in person, and the mattes, all of the mattes with the exception of this shade right here, which is in Mocktail, look to be like a little bit more cooler toned and shades that I could get a ton of use out of from a day-to-day perspective, like wearing to work. I love to just do like a one shadow, cool toned shadow in my crease and call it a day for work. So I actually feel like I'll get a ton of use out of this palette, which is super exciting, and this retails for $45. And then the final product that came in this box I was super excited about, because this is a product I've been wanting to try for a really long time. This is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum, and this retails for $54. We did get the full size, which is really exciting. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna do like a little droplet here to see what this looks like on the skin. I don't know how well this will come across on camera. Not the best. You probably can't see. No, honey. You probably can't see anything. My daughter's awake. I'm sorry.
Are you going to stay home tomorrow?
I have to work, honey. This does give a really nice sort of like glowy sheen to the skin. I feel like this could be really beautiful on days that you're not going in with like foundation and you just want your skin to have like a nice dewy shine. So I'm really excited about this one. The total value of the premium box, which I found to be very interesting, and again, mine's just one variation. There are different variations to the box, but my premium box came to a total value of $212, which was less than my standard Boxycharm box. Now again, there was that $107 skincare item in the standard box, which really brought the value up, but I thought that was really interesting. Overall, I'm really excited and happy about both boxes. Obviously, there's a few products in each that I might not get use out of, but there are some that I'm super excited to test out and get to review and share with you guys. So that is going to be it for today's Boxycharm unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you are subscribed to Boxycharm and what you got in your box. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.